back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
In the 50, Justin Blevins. And in the 69, Billy Klein. The 22 of Tommy Greger. And the number 3 of Jacob Johnson. Will be green flag racing coming out of turn number 4, race fans. They are side by side going into turn number 3. Little trouble in between 1 and 2 is going to bring out the first caution of this set. Number 4 spot. Five laps complete. The number 15, Morgan Wagner, still leading the pack. J.R. Davis behind him in the number 2 spot. Another caution in between turns 1 and 2. And your checkered flag in the open wheel modified will go to the number 7 of J.R. Davis. In the number 2 spot, the 58 of Damian Sage. And the number 50 of Justin Blevins will bring up the number 3 spot.